Hi guys, Nick from HiFi Collective here. In my hand we have the AECO banana plug. There's three versions on offer. You've got the ABP-1111 and then with the 1111S and 1111R, so silver and rhodium version. So you can have two different limits on your cable entry. So just to show you how they work, just taking it apart. This version with the sleeve fitted, you could actually just use the grub screw to connect, so you don't have to solder this one, or you could solder it. So the cable entry for this with the sleeve on is 3.5. So in order to increase your cable entry, you just have to remove the sleeve. Comes off quite easily. And then you've got the solderable kind of version here. Now, the wire would fit in there and then you'd solder it. You tin the wire first and then solder straight onto there. So here also you've got to have a sleeve here that restricts the hole. This can be removed as well. So undo the screw. And then you have to take it all out. And then just give it a little push from the inside. And that comes out as well. So there you have the cable would come in this way. And that gives you the 6.5. So these banana plugs, you can have grub screw connection up to 3.5mm diameter cable or solderable up to 6.5mm.